Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a custom scroll bar using Elementor or the Elementor plugin for WordPress when you guys go to edit your website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So by default, as you guys know, some of the scroll bars for standard websites that are using a theme or just the basic ones right off the bat use the default gray one as this setting actually ties in with your Google Chrome settings and what you have the theme set to. So I believe by default it's just gray. So if you guys want to be more flexible and customize it a little bit, give it a little color, a little life, I'll be teaching you how to do it. So the idea here is we need to get access to our website editor using Elementor. So the first thing you need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Elementor account as an administrator. So here's what the dashboard looks like. And as you guys can see, this is what my website, actually this is the editor itself. So this is what the website looks like. So here we are. Now, if we go to edit the scroll bar, as you can see, it's just gray. It's kind of boring. You guys would want to click on Elementor. So this tab right here, and then you want to click on Connect, as it'll take you to this page for the editor. Now, what we're looking for here is the additional CSS button. So it's this one right here. So when we go to edit the scroll bar, we'll be inputting a new line of code that'll modify the scroll bar right here. So I'll be sharing this code in the description for ease of access. So if I paste this here, I have it set to orange, as you guys can see, and you guys can do a quick Google search to see which color gradients or color codes that you want to use to reflect on the scroll bar of your website. So by default, I have mine set to orange. So basically, just want to paste this code here, hit save changes. So it's been saved. Now, if we go to reload the website, here we are. You can see that it's orange. And if obviously if you want to undo it, just Control A, delete it, hit save changes, and you'll see that it'll immediately reflect on the website. So right now it's back to default. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.